Hi, my name's Rick. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be repairing my leaf vacuum. You can see it hooks onto the trailer. The hose leads back to this. And I'm a little close, but here you can see this is the part of the leaf trailer itself. So I'll explain a little bit what happened. Last week we were using this and the recoil right away, so as we pulled the rope, it stuck out, it wouldn't come back. And then I knew that once we turned it off, that it probably wasn't going to start again because we weren't going to be able to get that rope back in. So we went ahead and used it for a little while, actually a few hours. And then the motor, it killed and there's no way of starting it. We took it apart and figured out what was wrong with it. Today, my grandson Tristan is going to be my hands on this project, and he's right over here. He's waving hi to you. Okay, that's good. And then, so he's going to be putting this all back together for me. All right, so Tristan, you can come over. Yeah, come in there. So this is what originally went bad. I don't know why. Every time I check these, it seems to work right, but it'll show you it spins one way, and that's once it starts, that spins inside the recoil. And what happened last week, somehow that locked up. And you can see, you go to the right, that's where it locks, so you can pull the rope, and then it'll turn the engine. And then the other way, it's supposed to be free. And so somehow that locked up, and then it spun. If you want to grab that recoil there, Tristan, and show me the white side of it. Oh, let me come up here. So you put it right inside of the recoil. Go ahead and pull it back out and put it back in there, Tristan, so we can see it all. Yeah, so it screws onto the motor, then the recoil goes on over that. For some reason, it hung up, and you can go ahead and pull it back out, Tristan. And if you look at the hole there, I'm going to zoom in here a little bit. Or yeah, go ahead if you want to walk a little close. That's good. That's good. So you can see how it hooks into there. Here's the recoil that we removed last week. In this picture here, you can see the damage that was done by the starter clutch spinning inside it. Here's the one we're going to put on today. You can see all the grooves. And here you can see how messed up they are. So we first took it apart, and then I realized that I had a spare one in the basement, so that's what the one Tristan's holding on to right now. Okay, you can back up a little bit, Tristan. And go ahead and put that, go ahead, you can put what's in your hand. Yeah. They call that a starter, so you can put that down for a minute. And then go ahead and show them how the recoil works itself. So, yeah, so go ahead and hold it and pull it. So then pull it and hold it out. So that's kind of where it stuck last week. And so we took the rope and taped it onto the tractor so we could just get what we could done. And so this one I think is going to work fine because it hasn't been used all that much. And this is the new one. Go ahead, you can turn it both ways. Does the same thing. If it's free one direction and turn it the other, and it locks up like it's supposed to. So we're going to go ahead and put a brand new one on today along with that recoil, and we're going to see what happens. Okay, I'm going to get some emery cloth. Yeah, now hold both, you got to use two hands, both ends, and pull and go back and forth with it. You can pull harder. You can, yeah, just work your way around it. You can move it. Yeah. So we're just cleaning what little rust or if there's any burrs or whatever in there. I want to make sure it's clean so it's not hanging up on that shaft at all. Go ahead and slide that on and go ahead. I believe there's a spring washer under there, so It takes a little bit to collapse that, but that helps lock it on, so that's why it's kind of taken a little bit to tighten it down. I think you got it. I think that's tight.
Okay.
All right, then go ahead and turn that clutch again both ways, see if it hooks and preloads. Okay. All right.
Where's that?
Screen's back over here.
Well, it's good. Let's fold it.
Okay, so line that screen up and
There we go, it's all set.
All right, then let's go ahead and put the recoil back on. 30 side down.
There we
Start.
go. Alright, guys.
Go ahead.
That's funny. Alright.
Almost in there. There, that's just what we want. Come get the bag of screws and let's get it together.
Alrighty.
Next to your left of your leg.
Right here?
Yep. Okay, so grab the little ones. There should be 4 of them.
Yep, there's 4 of them.
Okay, one at a time. I couldn't see that one, the other one. Oh, I see. Go ahead. And don't get them too tight until we get them all lined up and in.
What are the other? The other ones go on the
other,
bottom, right?
there's 2 on each side toward the bottom. That's tight enough for that. And you might have to wiggle the cover around to get them in there.
No, it's like perfect.
It is, huh?
Yeah.
Well, I like perfect.
Yep. I'm getting clipped right now. Oh. Alright.
Okay, then
This side.
you want to come this side? I'll back up. And you might have to pull the cover around and make it start for you.
Alright.
Okay, now pull the rope just a little bit. Okay, a little more and see if it goes back again. Okay, there, okay. That's good. Go ahead and start to tighten those down then. And come tighten this one.
Good or more?
Okay, now try to pull the rope a little bit again and make sure it goes back. It does, doesn't it? Yeah, I think it's gonna be fine. So next thing we're gonna do is put the motor back down in place. 4 bolts and the washers are on the floor here and the nuts. So those are 1/2 inch, remember?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's kind of a pain. We had to loosen this motor all up so the recoil would clear that latch there on the trailer. So it makes it a little more involved to work on that.
Yeah,
you get coordinated enough, you can hold everything in your right hand, the washers
Yeah.
and the nut.
Not as experienced as that.
Easier said than done, isn't it?
Truly.
Okay, we got the engine tightened back down, all gassed up, all oiled up, and it's ready to go. So we're gonna give it a try and see if this all works now. So go ahead, Tristan, go up there and turn on full throttle and choke it. Okay, go ahead and give her a pull and see if it fires up and the recoil goes back like it's supposed to. Okay, now open the choke halfway. The top, yeah. Give it another pull. Okay, so we started up and you can see the sparks flying around there by that mesh screen there. Evidently, it's bent a little bit or something, it's rubbing on there. I think we'll probably just let it go and see what it does. We might spray a little WD-40 there. It'll break in. It's probably not the best way, but we're not gonna take it all apart again. So other than that, we're ready to go. He's gonna go outside and take care of my leaves. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or remarks, just put them in the comments and I'll get back to you. And then I want to go through one more thing here, is I did a video a week ago on my wheelchair lift here. So this here gets me from the garage into the house. And I'll leave a link under this video, and I appreciate if you click on that and see how we built that. That lift come out of a bus and we modified it to work in the garage here. And you can see this is all the mechanism with cables and stuff that lifts it now. So it's totally different, but it's been adapted to work in here. Anyway, thanks for watching this, and please click on the like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye now.